Hey everyone, welcome back to FibonacciPi. Today we are going to learn 3 of the most important building blocks of any programming language: variables, data types, and constants in C#. By the end of this video, you will understand how data is stored, used, and protected in your C# program. What is variable? Imagine you have a box with a label on it. That's what a variable is in the programming. A variable stores information that can change while the program runs. For example, in C#, we can write integer age is 25. Here, integer is the data type, age is the variable name, and 25 is the value. So this line means create a box called age that stored the number 25. You can change later like this, age 30. Now your box stored 30 instead of 25. Naming rules. When naming a variable, there are a few simple rules that we can follow. The name must start with a letter or underscore, not a number. It cannot contain a spaces or special characters. It should describe what is stored. For example, a string channel FibonacciPi is better than a string X FibonacciPi because it tells what the data represent. Good naming makes your code readable and professional. Data types. Now let's talk about data types. A data type tells your computer what kind of data the variable will hold. Think of it like defining the size and shape of the box before you put something in it. Here are some common C# data types. Integer for whole numbers like 10, 20, 25, -3 like this. Double or float for decimal numbers like 3.14 or 99.99 or any that count with a decimal. Character for a single character like A or $. String for text like hello world. Boolean for true-false values. In this example, we have each of these variables store a different type of data. Constants. Now, what if you don't want a value to ever change? For example, the value of pi or the number of days in a week. This should stay fixed. That's where the constants comes in. Once you set a constant, its value cannot be modified later. If you try, C# will throw an error. Use constant for the fixed values that make your code safer and easier to understand. How variables, data types, and constants work together. In short, variables store data, data type defines the nature of that data, constant protects the value that should never change. Together, they form the foundation of every C# program, whether it's a calculator or a game or a full web application. So that's your foundation in C#. Play around, declare some variables, try different data types, and add constants to your code. See you in the next video where we will explore operators and expression in C#. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to FibonacciPi for more easy C# lessons.